Hey Gearheads, Chuck Fasst coming back at you with another segment on repairing and restoring this computer of ours. The first segment we went through installing a HDD and a SSD in it after the infamous, what was it called, the Windows 10 Creators update. It just wrecked the hard drive in this computer. We had nothing but trouble with Windows 10 since it was forced into the machine over a year ago. And come to find out, after all the troubles, my research tells me that this particular HP, this Envy DV7, is not listed in HP's list of compatible computers for Windows 10. So, yeah, nice to find that out after all the damage was done. But I said, what the hell? I'm going to fix this computer anyway, and we're going to load it up with Windows 8. So what we've done here, we have ordered up a set of boot disks for this particular computer so that we can do a clean boot. So that's what we're going to take you through now. And yeah, those keys don't look too good on my computer here, but we're going to take care of that too. We'll do one more final computer, and I'll go over some information that I gleaned from the free Geeks here in Portland, and hopefully that'll be of help to some of you. Alright, let's get after this install. Alright, Gearheads, Chuck Fasst coming back at you with our computer. Yes, we're not working on cars, but we need our computer to do what we do. So we've been working on this HP Envy DV7. I want to save this old computer because it's bigger and sturdier than the newer shit that we're seeing out there. And I think it's going to be stronger because factories seem to be making stuff that breaks easily anymore. And they're doing that on purpose. Okay, we're going to try to restore Windows 8 with these boot disks that I bought from HP. Alright, now here's one of the things right off the bat. They tell us, oh, you have to have everything original in order to boot this back up, including your hard drive. I mean, what the hell? The old hard drive's burned out, so I'm trying to upgrade. I went to 1 terabyte from 750 gigs. It says here, I can't go over 800 gigs. How ridiculous is that? So I'm right in this gray area where 1 to 3 terabytes is supposed to be okay. Well, I got 1 terabyte in there now. I wanted a bigger hard drive, for God's sakes. Wouldn't anybody? Anyway, so I get to see that, so I can see problems right away. You know, thanks to the tech geeks, they can't even make this so that we can upgrade it and restore it at the same time. Yeah, well, whatever. So, there we are. This is what it says. Alright, so we're supposed to boot up. It tells us we got to select the CD DVD drive. Press F9 to open the boot device options menu. Okay, let's do that. Alright, this will open up another menu. And then we need to boot up from the CD DVD boot option menu. Boot from. Alright, so that's good. Press enter. Alright, we'll do that. Okay, so now, and right off the bat, it came up with a message, you must plug into AC power. So we have that done now. And we hit OK. Then it says it's going to do the restore. So let's see, is it or is it not? Next. System recovery caution. This will format hard drives. All files will be deleted. Well, this is a fresh hard drive. There's nothing on it. Okay, do not disconnect AC power. Do you want to continue? Yes, let's do it. Alright, factory image recover preparations. Reformatting the Windows partition of the hard drive. And it's starting to pick up speed. Earlier this disk was running like a big dog, like it was in a big drag race. Okay, copying files required to restore the hard drive. Progress 90%. Oh, Lord have mercy. Yeah, there's 4 of these things here. I couldn't believe it. I got to go through this with 4 of these. These are DVDs. Didn't know. 90% seems strange. Oh well, whatever. Now we're going to let this run. Can you hear it? You hear it taking off? Zoom. Well guys, here we are. That drive has been racing around like it's on a road course. Taking off and then slowing down for the corners and taking off again, and then it's slowed way down and like a bug on the Autobahn. And that seems to be where it's at, in slow mode. There it sits at 21%. About a half an hour's gone by. Well, no one's telling us how long this process takes, so we wait. Alright guys, it took hours and hours and hours, and that thing was stuck on 12%. And eventually when I came back, the first disc had completed, and the rest of them went through, and all the discs have completed, and now it's doing this install. It did this for a long time, and then it restarted, and then it said administrator, like we're getting close, and it went back to this, and it started all over again. So that one moves very slowly. So I don't know how long this is going to take. So here it is, getting ready again. It has already done this once. It's already went through software installation, which went on a long time, and did this, and then it went back into software installation again for a long time. And now here we are, hoping that from here it's going to actually be done and installed and ready to use. It's been about 12 hours now. Alrighty then, now we have this. We had a black screen for a while with a DOS thing down there in the corner for a little bit. It had a System 32 with a prompt, and that went away. Now this popped up, so we're waiting to see what happens next. Well, now look at what we have here. Yeah, it's telling me to hit finish and restart, and supposedly this baby's going to be ready to go. Alrighty then, we're in America, so we're going to hit next for that one. License terms. Well, we all know about this, right? We accept the terms because we have no choice. It doesn't really matter, does it? I mean, let's face it. Okay, let's accept Microsoft's terms. Register and protect. Full name. Your email. Okay, we're going to fill all this stuff in and hit next, and then see where we end up. Alright, got more things happening here. Pick a color you like and give your PC a name. Any name you want. Living room PC, I don't know. How about, I'm just thinking, what do we got to do? Alright, we're going to name it Gearheads. What do we have? Get online so you can finish setting up your PC. Person who knows the network name and password. Well, I happen to know that mine is called this one right here. Connect automatically. Yes, that's what we want. And it's going to ask for all this stuff, which you'll have to go find. Alright, so I had a little problem with this Microsoft account. Trying to come up with the correct password and so forth, because I can't remember it, because I never use that. But it looks like we got something going on here. What's that? It says hi. While we're getting things ready. Yeah, check out the new way to use Windows. That was going to give us a little tutorial now. Well, I guess we don't have to show you guys all of this. So we got the screen turning all kinds of funky colors as we wait for this thing to get everything ready. Pretty colorful. Kind of like the holidays. And it's getting way off into the wee hours as I keep plugging away on this thing. Trying to... Says it'll take a few minutes. Hopefully that's exactly what they mean, because now we're at about 13 hours on this install. Alright, so you've seen the pretty colors. Now we wait. And oh boy, look at here. Indeed. Anybody use these tiles? I never use them. So I guess we're supposed to go over here, grab this, and pull it out somehow. Yeah, you know. We'll start loading in all of our other programs. Get the editor back in here so we can get back to work for Gearheads.